Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and today's video. I have an unboxing for you today. This is actually a March box. I know. It has literally taken 6 weeks from postage to arrive here on my doorstep. I ended up having to email the company, let them know I'd not received it. They sort of suggested or advised I wait another couple of weeks, which is what I've done. And funnily enough, it's literally just arrived today when I was actually going to email them again and say, look, it's still not arrived, can you send me a replacement? Which box am I talking about? I am talking about Medusa's makeup. Now, the reason this has took so long to get to me, it normally does take a couple of weeks anyway, but this is a US based subscription box. Okay, it's a makeup only one, although we do occasionally get the odd skincare item in there. Medusa's makeup are a little bit of an alternative makeup brand. They are 100% cruelty free and vegan. This little box, we always get 4 full-size items in here, and this box, to receive it and you live in the US, is $16.95 a month. If you're in Canada, it's $22.95 a month to receive, and anywhere else in the world, international shipping is $26.95. Now, converted into pounds sterling, it works out around about the £22 a month mark. It's not the cheapest box that I do by any means, but I just love the types of makeup that you get in here. Like I say, it's a little bit more alternative. You tend to get sort of a lot more wackier colours, and yeah, it just suits me a bit better. So let's dive into it. Like I say, this is the March box. Can't remember the theme of it. We're gonna find out together. I'm pretty sure it's a springtime theme, something like that. It looks very Hawaiian-y on the box, doesn't it? So here we go. Let's have a look. I do love these boxes. They are so cute. Here we are. So yeah, it was the spring break edit, this one. Here we go. You always get a little card which tells you about the items and their retail value. Here we go. Okay, so let's open it up. And the first item we have, right, this is the Disco Queen, and this is their liquid lip gloss. There we go. I have actually already had one of these before. I believe I've got mine in the shade Funky Town. There we go. And it looks like quite a pink, a pinky colour. I'm not actually, is it sealed or is it? Yeah, it is sealed. Now then, I'm not a massive fan of lip glossers. I like my metallics and I like my mattes. Lip glossers, and this is quite a pinky one. So the value of this is $11.95. That's in dollars, $11.95. So it's around about £10. They are a nice lip gloss. I mean, the one I've got, I have used it a couple of times, but I've got to be really in the mood for it. So this, I'm going to pop at one side. I'm going to keep it sealed, and I'm either going to gift it to a friend, or maybe perhaps pop it in a giveaway or something like that. But that's item number 1. And the rest will come in a little bag here, a little bubble wrap bag. Here we go. And something's leaking. I've got, there's an oil by the looks of it in here. Yep. And the tops come a little bit unscrewed. I'm just going to get a tissue. Yeah, here we go. This is Aloha. It looks like, yeah, it's a perfume oil. Now, I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see, but this lid is not on very tight at all, which is why it's leaked. There we go. Not sure if you can see all of that. So I'm actually really pleased that that was in this little bag, because at least it stopped it going all over the box, which is brilliant. However, there will be now oil all over the rest of my items, but never mind, we'll give them a wipe down and we'll be fine. this smells divine, I have to say. It's really quite fruity. Let's see if it tells me anything about it. The value of this is $16, and it just says a floral bouquet capturing the essence of blushed peony, orange blossom, rose petals, lily of the valley and white cyclamen. The orange blossom in particular, yeah, you can smell that. That is really, really nice and fruity. I'm going to pop a little bit on there, and then we'll let it absorb and calm down a wee bit, and we'll see what that smells like at the end. But yeah, that's worth $16. There we go. Right, next item's out my little bag, and I shall throw that away. Here we go. So we have an eyeshadow. Here we go. Ooh, right. Now then, this is one of their tropical eyeshadows. It's a matte one, and this is in the shade Jamaica. Now it says on here that the value of this is $9. I happen to know that these are actually on their website on sale at the moment, and I believe they're down to $4, $3.99. Only reason I say is because I actually ordered one of the, I think it's Montego Bay, purple one, and this Jamaica, I believe, was one that I was looking at ordering as well, because it's quite a nice neutrally colour. Here we go, so that's the outer packaging. There we go. And yeah, it's like a pale mauvey, pinky, yeah, really nice sort of transition-y shade. Let's just do a little swatch. Here we go, that's it there. And let's swatch on the back of the hand. Yeah, there we go. So it's kind of like, yeah, like a grey, mushroomy, really, really nice, pale, mauvey, pinky shade, like I say. So very pleased with that. I do like their matte eyeshadows, I have to say. They are very sort of smooth. They don't create too much kick up. You don't get too much fallout with them. Their liquid eyeshadows, yeah, they're not so good, but these little matte ones and their shimmer ones that come in the singles as well are really, really good. Really like them, so I'm pleased about that. And then the next item, or the last item in the box. Now then, this is the featured product, and it's by a brand called Galactic. So this is not a Medusa's makeup brand, this is Galactic, and it is a precise black marker eyeliner, felt tip eyeliner. There we go. See if I can get my camera to focus for you. Alright, now the value of this is $20. Cool, that's a very long nib, but very, very fine nib. Look at that. Let's give it a go. Oh, it's a brush as well. Looks like a felt tip, but it's not. It's actually like a brush nib. I do prefer a brush nib to a felt tippy nib. That's really quite nice. I like that. Only small. So whether or not, you know, I'd say that was worth $20, we shall wait and see. But obviously, as always, I will try them out and I shall let you know. So there we go. That is everything from March's box. Now, I do know my April box has been, it's left Medusa's makeup, it has been shipped, but judging on how long this one's took to get to me, I'm now not expecting my April box until the end of May. So there we go. So quick roundup, we have the Aloha perfume oil, we have the matte eyeshadow, we've got the black liquid liner, and we've got the pinky sparkly lip gloss. These three items I will be keeping and using. This one, like I say, will be gifted away, but that's really not a problem, not an issue. These perfume oils absorbed a wee bit now. Still very, very nice. It's not something I would choose for myself, but especially in the summertime, that's gonna be really, really lovely. Really nice. And the total value of the March box was $56.95. Like I say, I paid $26.95, so I've got double my money's worth. So actually, that's a really, really good box of Medusas. Normally, or sometimes, the value of the box can only maybe be about $10 or $15 over what I've paid. So no, to get a box that's $30 over, I'm very, very pleased about. Anyway, that's my thoughts and feelings. Thank you for watching. As always, everybody, let me know your thoughts and feelings down in the comments section below. If you are new to my channel, the warmest of welcomes. I'm so pleased you found me. That's amazing. Thank you so much. If you've not already, I'd love it if you'd consider subscribing either by the red button down below or the circular icon with my face in it, which will appear here shortly. Make sure your notification bell is turned to all. That way YouTube will let you know every time I drop a video, which is around about 3 or 4 times a week, but sometimes I do drop the occasional bonus one in there for you as well. If you're up for it, I have started doing a live stream on a Friday night as well, called the Friday Night Natter. That's at 8 o'clock London time, or GMT. And we literally talk about absolutely anything, as long as it's clean and good humoured. Anything goes, basically. So if you fancy joining us for that, then please do so. And I think that's everything for today, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy the rest of your day. Keep safe, keep well, keep inside as much as possible, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.